Hi, year ones. Well, Sweet was very impressed with your maths yesterday, and he particularly liked the way you put the largest number in your head and then you counted on until you got the answer. Okay, so we're going to do some more great maths today, aren't we, Sweet? Okay, you pop back with me and we're going to get started. Now, here we go. Today we're going to add, but we're always going to start with the number 10 to begin with. So here we've got a Numicon piece, number 10. Now, if I put my add sign, my plus sign, together we're going to add different numbers to the number 10. So let's start right at the start, right at the beginning. So we've got 10 plus 1 equals 11. We've got 10 plus 2 equals 12. We've got 10 plus 3, call out the answer if you know, equals 13. We've got 10 plus 4 equals 14. We've got 10 plus 5 equals 15. We've got 10 plus 6 equals 16. We've got 10 plus 7, call out the answer, equals 17. And we've got 10 plus 8 equals 18. We've got 10 plus 9 equals 19. And last of all, we've got 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay, now, if you've not got Numicon, which you probably haven't got, don't worry, because you can do the same thing with some buttons or some counters or some coins. So remember, here's our two tens frames. So I've got 10 blue counters there, so there's my 10. And I can do the same thing. I can say 10, add 1 red counter equals 11. I can say 10 blue, add 2 red equals 12. 10 blue, add 3 red is 13, and so on. Now, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to, in here, to write those little equations, number sentences down. See, I've started with 10 plus 1, and I think my answer is going to be, you call out for me, yeah, it's 11. There we go. And it's important you keep them in order, and that way we can see some patterns in our answers. So I want you to keep going all the way down till you get to 10, add 10. Okay, now once you've written them, that's not the end, because we've got to practice them and practice makes perfect. The more we practice, the better we get. So when someone says to us, oh, what's 10 add 5? Straight away you can say 15. Now, I've got some little cards here. And on some of my cards, I've written a number between 10 and 20. And on some of my cards, I've written down a little equation. So that one, for instance, 10 plus 2. So I've mixed them all up. Let's put them out. This is a game you can play with mum or dad, or granny and granddad, or brother or sister. So I'll put the cards out. Here we go. Now, decide who's going first. And we want to, it's a game of pairs. So I'll go first. I'm going to turn over this one. Oh, and I've got number 20. So leave it there. Now I need to find the equation that makes 20. So I'm going to turn this one over. 10 plus 2. Does that make 20? No, it doesn't, does it? I think that makes 12. So I've got to turn them back over. And the next person will go. So they might turn this one over. 11. And let's turn that one over. 10 plus 10. No, that doesn't make 11. Turn them back. Oh, hold on though. Oh, 12. And I'm going to choose this one. 10 plus 2. They go together. 10 plus 2 is 12. So I can take those. Okay, so that's a lovely little game you can have a go at just to reinforce those addition facts which we've just been practicing. Okay, children, now, if you think you know those already and you're very confident, I would still have a go at doing them because, like we said, practice makes perfect. But if you're really, really confident, then an extra challenge for you is I would like you to find different ways to make the number 20. So, here we go. Here's the first way I could find 20. I've got 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10 makes 20. What's another way to make 20? Well, let's have a look. Ooh, what number have I got here now? I've got a 10 and a 9. So that is 19. Now, that's quite a big number. So let's put 19 in our head and then count on till we get to 20. So 19, 20. That's just one more. So 19 plus 1, let's see, equals 20. Let's try another one. What about this one? We've got 15. So 15 plus what makes 20? Well, let's put 15 in our head and then we're going to count on till we get to 20. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's another 5. So 15 plus 5 equals 20. Let's just check that it does. Yes, it does. There we go. Okay, so that's going to be your extra challenge. You may not do that one, children, but this is for the children who are feeling very confident with the first activity. And like before, I'd like you to write out your number sentences for all the different pairs of numbers which make 20. Okay. All right, children, have fun with that. Remember to try your best, and practice makes perfect. Okay. Bye, Sweep. See you tomorrow. Bye.